Spilled wax on your carpeting can be a real problem, but don't worry. I'm going to help you fix it in 15 minutes. This is all you need. Some safety glasses, an iron, a clean rag, and some paper bag material. Now, with the iron on medium heat, no steam, you want to take the paper bag and place it over the stain and start to gently iron the spot. The idea is that the paper is going to start to absorb the melted wax, and you need to work that paper around a little bit so that you're getting all that wax up. Now, you want to be careful to concentrate the iron just on the stain, and you want to constantly move the iron as well, because if you let it set, you may burn the carpeting. Remember, most carpeting is made from nylon. It's a plastic material, so you just have to take very good care as you're using this. Keep paying attention to the area. Once you see the wax mostly melted away, you want to remove the paper, then turn the steam on the iron. Take that rag, place it over the stain, and then steam that area, moving the iron again back and forth, being careful not to burn the carpeting. Move the rag a little bit more. Take a look and see how it's going. A little bit more steam. Take that rag and kind of brush out the surface. Remember, it's going to be a wet spot, but once it dries, you've eliminated the wax from your carpeting. You see? You fixed it in 15 minutes.